everyone, welcome to our of Code 2024. My name is Gofiwa. I have volunteered with CSEd Botswana and I'll be taking you through an activity of Hello World emoji, and I'll be taking you from step 1 to step 5. So to access the Hello World activity, you're gonna go to code.org and you will type in code.org in your browser and it will take you to Hello World. So you click on Hello World and you will find this as the first page of the activity. So the first one, to start with, it says hello world, I'm Sprite. Use the say block to make me say whatever you like. So this second one, it says drag a make new sprite block into the workspace and connect it to under and run. So we're gonna take our block and connect it under here, and the next one we connect it the other one. So yeah, now we have an emoji here. So ra go change the words that we want to say here. Let's say Buffalo Oja Sabana. So when you run the code, when you press run, when you click on run, it will say Buffalo Oja Sabana. So let's see if it does that. Yes, it does say Buffalo Oja Sabana. So to actually want to see it again, you reset and you run the code again. So if you want to go back and play with the code, change the words or anything, just go to keep playing and you are able to change this and able to change the emojis to the other one. But if you want to continue, there's a continue button. Let me do this again. There is a continue button that you click and it will take you to the next step. So now let's go to level 2 of the emoji activity. So in the next step, this is what we do. You will be given 2 sprites and your instruction, it says click the pin on the location block. This is the pin on the location block to move the sprites to different locations. Press run when you're finished. So level 2, the task is just to move the sprites apart because they're in the same spot. So we're gonna go to the pin of the first emoji and we are able to drag it to a different spot. So then we're gonna take the second one, we do the same, let's just separate them. Yes, and then we run our code, then we are done. Yes, so if you want to keep on changing the location of your emojis, you can still keep playing and then you are able to switch around and change them. But if you want to continue, you click on continue and then you go to step number 3. Okay, so Hana Renale, this the 2 emojis. So we have changed our location like we did in step 2. So narabile ngwehana, so we're still keeping our positions. So we're gonna drag this down. What are the other instructions that are given? So it says add code to make sprites say something. Press run when you're finished. So both these sprites to say something. The say and the we're gonna take this one first. Then we take this one re bo re tsa our say button, say block, re ba hana. So yeah, we make sure gore sprite sena le sena they are the same so that you are able to run the code ya gago properly. So ra go change the words here. Ke maketse. I'm surprised. Ke maketse. Le nna ke ha kga metse. Okay, so let's just do different types of surprises. So yona are o maketse, ona are ena wa kga metse. Likewise. So we're gonna run our code to see if they will say that. Okay? Then nna ke ha kga metse. So ona le ena o maketse, right? So we're gonna go back to our code because there's an instruction that we didn't complete. So let's keep playing, and it says extra challenge, set a background. So we're gonna take this background. It will set the background. So you are able to change the background to different other backgrounds. So the disco ball is fine, so I'm gonna stick to it. So we're gonna run our code and see if there's change. Yes, there is change. So this is how it looks like now. So we run our code. So that's it. That's it for step number 3. So we're gonna continue to step number 4 and the last one, step number 5. So in step number 4, we are expected to know that and to actually practice on clicking the run button or clicking on the sprite. So Yana, it says read the code, what do you notice? So we're gonna go to our code and we recognize this part. It's everything that we have done so far, and we see the say button, the say block, but we realize another block, it's a block that says when an emoji is clicked, it should say something. So let's run our code to see what it does. Let's see. Okay, you're supposed to tap and tap. Yep. So this is what it does. So you're gonna keep playing to actually change your words here. Ahe, arre ahe. Yena bere gone ko. I get gone ko. So yeah. And we still gonna stick to our emojis. So yeah, I think that's good enough. We're gonna continue the same emojis. So let's see if it does the work. We tap on it, hey, wanna go. Yeah, so we're gonna continue to the last step, which is step number 5. So we press continue, step number 5, which completes the guidance on how to maneuver through Hello World emoji activity. So this one, it starts with an instruction that says connect essay block under when clicked. Select the same costume in the block of code. Press run button, click or tap the sprite to have it say something. Extra challenge, make both sprites say something when clicked. So you make both sprites say something when clicked. Our block When this one is clicked, it says I'm sleepy, and then when the other one is, okay, let me put it here. When the other one is clicked, it says, okay, let's change this to match. No, it's fine. Let's change the top one to match the bottom one. So I will change a lot to the amazed one. Uh-oh, why am I making? So I'm supposed to say, ehe. Now that's about right. So let's change it to this one. So the other one says I'm sleepy when clicked. So this one is pretty much okay, but let's just make it, let's customize it. So let's say Allah. Bona wa horeng I'm me. That's a question. So we have done that, and let's see if we are able to run our code to see if it will do the work it's supposed to do. So I'm me, I'm me. Okay, that's pretty much it with step number 5. Okay, it says great job, you have finished the level, including the extra challenge. So you can keep on playing to just play with the words, play with the emojis and the locations of it. Gonna continue to the next step. So that's really it on the guidance of step 1 to 5 of Hello World emoji, and I hope you have fun with the rest of the levels from level 6 up to level 11. So this is it from me. Thank you.
From me, and I hope you had fun while exploring and playing with the activities from code.org, and I hope you have a fun hour of code. Thank you.